There was once a traveler who walked through a land that was sometimes harsh, where storms came without warning, and the path was often filled with burdens and shadows. For a long time, the traveler only saw the burdens. The traveler wondered why the journey was so difficult, why the path felt lonely, and why the storms seemed endless. The traveler called out to the sky, asking if anyone was there, if anyone truly cared. For a time, the traveler could not see the hidden hands. The traveler missed the gentle faces along the road, the moments of care, the quiet ways the journey had been held. Then a gentle whisper came, "You are never alone. Every burden you carried, I placed a hand to support you. Every thorn that pricked you, I placed a hand to heal you. Even when love seemed absent, I sent others to show my care." The traveler looked more closely and began to see. Faces of kindness appeared along the path, hands that lifted the traveler, gifts of grace that had gone unnoticed before. And in that moment, the weight of the burdens felt lighter. The traveler realized there had never been true abandonment. Even in the darkest seasons, the traveler had been held by hands not yet seen. From that day forward, the traveler carried a new heart. Not a heart shaped by fear, but a heart shaped by gratitude for the hidden hands that guided the way, and for the one who placed them there.